Hey, what are you doing right now? Well, that looks fun. Yeah. Um, hmm? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I forgot to do that. I'll go do it in a second. But, hey, I have to talk to you about something. No, it's not anything bad. No, 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 no. Well, depends. Yeah, it kind of depends. Uh, so today, my parents called me and asked if they could come over for dinner. Yeah, I did say yes. I know how you were gonna feel about it, okay? But, look, I thought maybe this would be a good time to meet my parents. I mean, hmm? Yeah, I'm serious. Hey, 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 hey. No, no, no. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. They're cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You'll be okay. Trust me. Yeah, I promise. Yeah, of course. Yeah, hey, no, no. You don't have to get ready or anything like that. We can before like a couple hours before you get here, we can, tidy up a little, clean up a little. Yeah, that's kind of why I wanted to talk to you about that. So they'll be here around like 8, I think. Let me check the text real quick. Uh-huh. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. I know. Uh yeah, see. Because they'll be here around 8. Mhm. Yeah, so we could maybe I guess relax a little bit before then. We only got like a couple hours before they get here. So I guess like an hour or two before they get here we can start tidying up a bit. Yeah, hey, I promise you'll be okay. Yeah, yeah, I promise. Hey, you alright? Hey, 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 hey. Hey, are you alright? Hey. No, 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 come here, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, you'll be okay. I promise you'll be alright. They're not gonna hurt you. If they try, I'll stop them, okay? Yeah, yeah, I promise, I promise. Don't worry, don't worry. I won't let them. You'll be okay. Yeah, of course. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they do, but know about me and you. I know you're a guy as well. Yeah, they're cool with it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh, okay, so I think, before they get here, we should probably, do the dishes first. Because, yeah, I can do the dishes first. Um, I guess I'll take out, like, all the garbage from, like, the living room It's not that bad in here. Yeah, just a couple of cans and whatnot, yeah. And you can sweep and mop and whatnot, yeah. Hey, you sure you're gonna be okay? Yeah, I know. I know it's a lot of pressure. But don't worry, don't worry. You'll be alright. I promise. I've already promised you like 20 times, okay? Yeah, of course. I promise you, sweetheart. I know. I know. I know you're scared. You'll be okay. I promise. Okay? Here, look at me. Look at me. No. Hey, look at me. There you go. I hereby swear on the Bible that nobody will harm you. Okay? I'm not gonna let them make fun of you. I won't let them do anything to you. You got it? Good boy. Aww. You're so cute when you melt like that. Yeah, come here. Come in my arms. Yeah, you need this. There you go. There you go. You're so tense. Ease up a little bit. Here. If I just run my hand up and down your back, will that make you feel better? Okay. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Okay. You're so good for me. I mean it. You always do whatever I say without hesitation. You always comfort me when I need it. Though I do comfort you a little more. Yeah. You're okay. Alright. Yeah, you've got it. You're perfect. You're everything I could have wanted. You're so cute. You're so kind to me. Oh, someone melting? Yeah, of course. Okay. You've got like 2 hours before they get here. So why don't we try and cuddle a little bit before we have to get up and clean? Wait, did I text them the address? Oh, let me check. I don't think I texted them the address. No, I didn't send them the address. Give me a second. Okay. Yeah, I sent them the address. Yeah, like I said, you got nothing to worry about, okay? They'll love you, I'm sure of it. Yeah, I'm serious. So, what do you want to do in the meantime while we're cuddling? You want to watch a movie or something? Okay. Yeah, we can just. Yeah. Do you want to try and, when they get here, well, before they get here, you want to run up to the store with me? Yeah. Yeah, we do kind of need, uh, we need bread and we need meat, and, yeah. Yeah, I used the last pack of chicken. Hmm. Yeah. Alright, so, I'll write a list real quick, and, make sure that you're ready before we leave. Hmm? Yeah, of course, come here. Let me hold you tighter. Ooh, squeeze. There you go. Oh, no, you're melting. Oh, we can stay like this for a little while, okay? Okay, good.